Hi there, this is Jasmine and we are solving question 178 today. The question says the closing price of stock X changed each trading day last month. The percent change in the closing price of stock X from the first to the last trading day of the last month was less than 50%. If the closing price of the second trading day last month was $10, then which of the following cannot be the closing price on the last trading day last month? Alright, for the first day, I am going to assume that the price was P, and for the second day, the price is already given as 10. That means from here to here, the change is 50%. What do you mean by the change? They didn't say whether it's going to increase or decrease by 50%. They simply said that it would be less than 50%. That means even if the price increases, it's going to increase by a certain number which is less than 50%, or decreases, then it will decrease by a certain number which is less than 50%. Okay, so the relation between P and 10, I can write it as P into 1 plus or minus 50% is equal to 10. So the changes in P are going to happen anything by 50%. Less than 50% they have said, but still we are going to take the extreme possibility to find out the price for the last trading day. Okay, let's find out. So from here we are going to get two possibilities. P is going to 10 divided by 1 plus 50%, which is like 1 plus 0.5, or P is equal to 10 divided by 1 minus 0.5. This will be 10 divided by 1.5, that will be 6.67 somewhere around, and this would be P divided by 10 divided by 0.5, that will be 20. That means I can say that the P was somewhere in between 20 to 6.67. Okay, the price can be anything in between these two numbers on the first day. We are asked to find out what was the closing price on the last day. The price is anything in between these two numbers on the first day. If I take the extreme change in this possibility, we will get the closing price on the last day. Meaning, I am going to decrease the lowest possibility by 50% and increase the highest possibility by 50%. So decrease this by 50%, the half of this is somewhere is going to be 3.331. So I'll just take it as 3.33 less than, and increase the highest number by 50%. The 50% of this number is 10 added into it. So that will become 30. So that means instead of writing P, I will write it as Q, assuming that Q is the price on the last day. So that means the price on the last day was anything in between these two numbers. Now look at the options and let's see which of the options we have here does not fall into this, and that would be our final answer. So 3 is not within the range, 9 is within the range, 19 is within the range, 24 is within the range, 29 is also within the range. The question is which of the following cannot be? So we can say that 3 cannot be the closing price on the last trading day because it doesn't fall into the given range. That's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.